tired. Not so good at this prayer thing. I don't even think I'm doing it right because I do all the talking. Are you home? Forget I said that. Of course you are. I know you are. It's just that I'm so tired. I came in here with some things. I came in here with a lot of things, actually. This one's doubt. Self-doubt, faith-doubt. I'm like this person who wants to believe, but just needs a little proof, you know? And this one, it's full of the questions. You know them, the questions. Will my family be okay? Will it be my job tomorrow? And if not my job, then what? How do I make all these ends meet somewhere? You promised to take these things, but is that true? Really true? One question always leads to another. This one is regret. Notice the size, the color, the wear and tear. This one is full of all the things I never should have done. Full of all the words I never should have said that cracked and broke relationships. How can I let this go? How can I let this go? How can I release? What can you do with all my regrets? My could haves, should haves, would haves. If only this, if only that, if only this. This one's all the lost items, all the lost things, dreams, hopes, friends, myself. I want them back. I want all the lost things back. Can I leave this here with you? Or do I just hold them to myself? about this, but I am like this doubting Thomas. If I could just see your hands, touch your hands, and I could be sure.
If I come to you and leave, and I'm open to believe, will you speak to me, show yourself to me, will you make it real? I don't wanna just play games, I don't wanna stay the same. When I talk to you, when I reach for you, when I call your name.
Okay, I'm leaving these things here with you. I don't know how to move without them, and I know I don't want to move without you. I was waiting for a helicopter rescue, but I'll just wait for you, however you come.